So I recently got a Logan 200 lathe and noticed that there was an issue here, that I had this rod for the back gear, but it was actually missing what I believe is called a latch key, which seems to be kind of a tricky part to kind of find and identify a little bit. I took some kind of rough measurements. I actually made a little 3D print to kind of do a test fit and also to use as a template piece. So once I got that, I was able to kind of drop it in and kind of see it work and get a kind of a rough shape. And then once I had that piece, was able to go ahead and actually duplicate it, but in aluminum instead. So kind of see a little bit of a side by side. I noticed that the hole needed to be a little bit bigger to match up. So now, if we take a look here, we can see there's a place to actually put a spring. So now we can drop that spring in. And this was just like a random spring assortment kit from Lowe's. Now I'm able to drop in this latch key. And then I had some like a piano hinge, some type of piano wire or something. Maybe guitar wire, I can't remember what it's called. Able to use that kind of as a rod. So probably still need to grind it down just a little bit more to make it a little bit nicer. But now, yeah, you can see a little bit about how that works. So yeah, it took a little bit of effort. 3D print made it a little bit nice to kind of do a little bit of rough testing on the computer and have a nice easy template once I got ready for the piece. And then if anything happens, I can just 3D print me out a new piece and get right back at it. Plus it's got all the measurements and everything in the file. So yeah, looking forward to doing a couple other things on the lathe and getting good with it. All right, hope this helps somebody. All right, so to show a little bit of this piece, we can see that. And there we go. You can kind of see it there. It's locked in. See, it engages it. We're going to come here, flip that. Now you can see it spins freely. Once again, in there, you can see it engage. And if we put that down, see it runs much slower. It has kind of an awful sound. I haven't quite figured out what that sound is. Something sounds just a little bit weird. I don't know if it picks it up in the video. It seems to be running, so we'll have to figure that piece out. But yeah, so that lever's doing its thing. Now you can see my broken handle here. Got to fix that too.